Ever wondered how plants can grow year-round regardless of the weather conditions? The answer is simple: greenhouses. These ingenious structures create a favorable environment for the cultivation of plants, especially during times when Mother Nature isn't as cooperative. But what exactly is a greenhouse? Well, it's a structure designed to trap solar radiation, creating a warmer environment than the external atmosphere. Sunlight enters the greenhouse, heating the interior surfaces and contents. However, the heat is then held captive inside the greenhouse by the structure's walls and roof. This process is known as the greenhouse effect. Now, not all greenhouses are born equal. There are various types of greenhouses, each with its own design and functionality tailored to specific needs. Take glass greenhouses, for instance. Traditional greenhouses often use glass panes, which allow maximum sunlight penetration while providing good insulation. But glass can be heavy and expensive. Then we have plastic film greenhouses. These are covered with polyethylene or other types of plastic film. Plastic film is cheaper and more flexible than glass, making it suitable for larger structures. However, it might degrade over time due to exposure to UV radiation and other environmental factors. Polycarbonate greenhouses, on the other hand, use lightweight and durable polycarbonate panels. These offer good insulation and light diffusion. They resist breakage better than glass and provide better insulation than plastic film. High tunnels are simple, low-cost structures covered with plastic film or row covers, typically used for extending the growing season in gardening and small-scale farming. These are less permanent and smaller in scale compared to traditional greenhouses. Lastly, we have lean-to greenhouses. These are attached to an existing structure, like a house or a building, which provides support for one side of the greenhouse. Lean-to greenhouses can utilize the existing structure for insulation and support, reducing construction costs. So how does a greenhouse work? Sunlight enters the greenhouse through transparent walls and roof, heating the interior surfaces and objects. The heated surfaces and objects inside the greenhouse emit infrared radiation, which gets trapped by the greenhouse structure, as it cannot easily escape through the walls and roof. The greenhouse's walls and roof act as insulation, preventing heat from escaping back into the atmosphere. This insulation helps maintain warmer temperatures inside the greenhouse, even when it's colder outside. To ensure optimal conditions for plant growth throughout the year, greenhouses use ventilation systems, shading systems, and sometimes heating systems to regulate the temperature inside. They may also incorporate systems for controlling humidity levels, such as misting systems or ventilation, to create an environment suitable for the specific plants being grown. In conclusion, greenhouses provide a controlled environment where temperature, humidity, and other factors can be manipulated to create ideal conditions for plant growth. This allows for year-round cultivation regardless of external weather conditions. Truly, a marvel of modern gardening.